guys, this is just a quick walk in the snow in the park. So this is a major winter storm. It's supposed to be 20 to 25 centimeters of snow, and we are in downtown Toronto, and it looks like the snow just started and it's kind of blowing snow right now, and you can see that everything's covered already, but by this time tomorrow it's going to be a lot worse. So I just wanted to have a quick walk, and looks like, you know, dogs are enjoying the walk. And here you can see the park is already all white, and things are turning all white. And you see there's a snow truck salting the street, so you know, cars and vehicles can still run. So in Canada, snow doesn't interfere with daily life. Everything just goes normal. There's, like, you know, the public transit, cars and highways, roads and highways, everything is normal, but they have to just clear the roads more often if it's snowing a lot. So this is 511 streetcar going to Bathurst station. So everything's running. And there's another one coming from Union Station going to Exhibition. And here's another view of the park. This is just a small park in downtown Toronto, right in front of my place. And you can see, I see another streetcar coming right now. And the wind, you can see that my jacket is getting snow, but it looks like, you know, thick snow. It looks like kind of like, you know, salt and sleet. And I'm gonna have to head back to home soon because, you know, my voice seems to be affected by the weather, and it's getting kind of like, you know, not normal now. So I'm just going to head to home, but everything is as usual, and the snow is going to continue throughout the night till tomorrow afternoon, and probably 20 to 25 centimeters of snow, which is going to be a lot. I'll see you in the next video.